I love making things. I've been building and fixing things all my life. And I come from a long line of woodworkers, builders, and shade tree mechanics. But I've always been fascinated with CNC machining. The idea that you can design a perfect part in 3D and then use a computer and a machine to make it exactly how you designed it is just so stinking cool. Now, I'm going to learn Mastercam, and I wanted to share with you the biggest reasons why you might consider learning Mastercam too, which are access to learning, availability of jobs, ease of use, and room to grow. Now, the first thing you may want to look at is the opportunities around you to learn Mastercam. Most vocational or technical colleges teach CNC machining and programming, and in fact, we're even seeing a surge in high school shops teaching it. So if you're looking into this as a brand new career path in machining, check out one of those comprehensive programs where you'll learn how to program and operate the machines. But if you're already an experienced machinist, just looking to broaden your skills in programming, or you work in an established company, reach out to your local CAM reseller to see what training they offer, because that's going to be focused specifically on programming parts. And if you've got a bunch of people learning all together, you might want to ask about custom training, because then you can really focus in on the types of parts you'll be making. Now, even if you do learn a tool, you're still going to have to find a job that uses that tool to make it worth your while. Now, this one actually works both ways, because whether you're hiring or job searching, you don't want to be the one person who runs a tool that nobody else knows how to use, right? Jump onto any job posting site or look through any stack of resumes. You'll usually see a trend. And in my area, that trend is overwhelmingly Mastercam, sometimes as much as 8-to-1. Just make sure that applies to your area and your talent pool as well. Mastercam is easy to use, both in the standalone tool and in the Mastercam for SolidWorks interface, where I'm more comfortable. A lot of my friends and colleagues have learned Mastercam over the years, and I've heard consistently great feedback from people about how easy it is to learn the tool, which is also why I think you'll find it at so many schools around you. Also, take into consideration room for growth. A lot of times people initially get into CNC machining with simple parts like you would make on a router or a lathe. But if you have intentions to make this your career, or you know that complex challenges are down the road, make sure whatever tool you start with has the potential to grow with your company and your career, especially with the surging popularity in things like mill-turn machines. If you start with a tool like Mastercam, you'll be on your way to tackle any challenge, and you'll never outgrow your CAM solution. Good CNC machinists and programmers are in demand. If you're looking for a career where you don't need to go into student loan debt or wear a suit and tie every day to get a good paying job, you may want to consider learning Mastercam too.